welcome back to Pete's 47. So I've just painted these matte black to begin with. I'm now going to paint the timber brown. Now these are the park benches, so really this bit is concrete and this is timber. I'm trying to modify these a little bit and trying to make them look a little bit like they're a black cast iron frame with the timber. Again, I've been looking at pictures from Modelu and they looked like they were this cast iron frame with the timber on them. That's sort of what I'm replicating with these. So I've got a few workbench jobs to do next. Thought I'd just show you what I've recently purchased. So this first company we're going to look at is P&D Marsh. Paul Andrews, some of you might know him on Facebook. I figured this would fit quite well somewhere next to my station building, sort of just dumped up the side of it or something like that, just a bit of extra detail. So I'm going to have a go putting this together and then painting it. Also got a similar item here. Thought these two would work quite well together. Perhaps one be used to go over the barrow crossing, I've also bought some other bits and bobs. Thought these will complement my signal box when I get round to doing it. That's probably going to be a video coming up shortly. The next few videos will probably be weathering the signal box, getting the names on there, adding some detail like this to the side of it. I've also got some lamps as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these. I might upgrade and end up having ones that I can light up, but for now these might do for a little bit of detail, just a couple down each side. And I've also got some figures as well for Modelu. This is the first one I've got. This is a seated workman, so I'm pictured probably having him on one of the benches. So I'll probably paint him up. Built these, and that's a little bit more detail on Whittington Dale. Well, that didn't take long to make at all. Really easy kit to put together. I copied the pictures off the website just to give me a bit of an idea, but you know what, for under a £5, I think that's a pretty good kit.